the best.
The best.
Triple layer bars.
Bars.
To a bowl, we're going to add 6 cups of Rice Krispies. Hang on, we gotta measure these. To a saucepan, you're going to add 2 cups of peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Okay. Half a cup of corn syrup. We're just gonna eyeball it. Okay, that's good. Good job. And 1 cup of white granulated sugar. Okay, dump it in. Over medium-low heat, we are going to bring our mixture, stirring consistently just until it melts. So it'll go from this to this. All right, we are going to dump that peanut butter mixture into our Rice Krispies and give it a good mix. Dump them into, oh my gosh, a 9 by 13 pan.
Mama, see it.
You see? And push it all down. You're gonna push it all down really flat. To a microwave safe bowl, you're gonna add 2 bags of caramel bits. These are the 11-ounce bags, just from Walmart. And then we're going to add half a cup, this is a full cup, so I'm just going to fill it up halfway, of heavy whipping cream. We're gonna put this in the microwave, stirring like every 30 seconds until it's melted. It might be like clumpy, you just have to keep stirring until everything is melted once you take it out of the microwave. We're just going to dump this right on top. We're just gonna spread that caramel all around so it's evenly placed all over. To another microwave safe bowl, we're gonna add 3 cups of milk chocolate chips. And I have these like little measuring balls. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're just going to microwave this until it's completely melted. All right, once that's all melted, you're going to dump it on the top. Then we're just going to spread it all around. Here, take when you spread it around, it's normal for the caramel to kind of spread with it. Just be gentle, and then the caramel will stay down. I just kind of do like a little feathering. Okay, this is what it looks like. We're gonna let it cool for just a couple minutes, and then I'll cut into it and show you what it looks like. All right, it's been like an hour and a half, but I am dying to cut into this, so. Look at that beauty. They're still kind of wet. Or like they're not like set. I'm telling you, these aren't healthy. We know that. If you have gestational diabetes, probably not a good idea. But man, are they good.